fog, 66. In southwest PA, Pittsburgh, cloudy and 69 degrees. West Nixon, partly sunny, 71. Beaver Falls, cloudy, 70. Newcastle, 68. Washington, 71. And Indiana, 68. In central Pennsylvania, Altoona, light rain, 69. State College, fog, 68. And Johnstown, light rain and fog, 65. In West Virginia, Morgantown, mostly sunny, 73 degrees. Wheeling, cloudy, 71. Parkersburg, mostly sunny and 75. In southeast Ohio, Zanesville, cloudy, 72 degrees. And Columbus, rain and fog, 59. Once again, at Butler, it was 67 degrees under cloudy skies. The Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania climate summary for yesterday, September 21st, 2021. Yesterday's high temperature. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Parker, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WWG 53, serves the following counties in western and northwestern Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Clarion, Crawford, Forest, Indiana, Jefferson, Lawrence, Mercer, and Venango. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast. Nearshore forecast.